Adequate tile underlayment thickness is the single most important factor for preventing tile cracking because it controls subfloor stiffness and deflection. For most wood subfloors, the practical thumb rule is 1/2 inch underlayment over 3/4 inch structural subfloor to achieve the stiffness tile needs, and for larger format tile or natural stone, you should move to cement backer board size to the tile and installed per manufacturer recommendations. Aim to keep live plus dead load deflection below L over 360, where L is the span between supports, so measure joist spacing and calculate span when you plan your underlayment. When a wood-framed subfloor cannot meet stiffness targets, consider adding blocking or sistering joists to reduce span, rather than simply increasing underlayment thickness. Use thinset mortars rated for the chosen underlayment and follow open time and bed thickness guidance so you do not trap voids under tile that concentrate stress. In areas where substrate movement is expected, use uncoupling membranes to allow differential movement between tile and framing while still providing a mortar bed for adhesion. Common mistakes are assuming thicker tile or larger tile does not change subfloor requirements and then seeing edge or corner cracks. The fix is to up-spec the underlayment system to cement board or continuous uncoupling membrane and verify deflection limits. Another frequent problem is installing underlayment over an unsupported or gluing-only seam, which leads to localized flex and cracks. The remedy is to screw and glue underlayment per industry pattern and stagger joints away from tile joints. Homeowners also often ignore perimeter detailing and movement joints, which transfers building movement into tile fields. Add properly placed movement joints at perimeters and at the recommended spacing across the field to prevent stress transfer. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who list their services and project examples so we can compare approaches to underlayment and scope of work. Our site also helps contractors find work through project leads and a discussion community where we exchange installation tips, product experience, and field test notes.